Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to make a bumblepig. First, use the brush tool on the menu bar and resize it for the eyes. Secondly, move above the eyes and circles. The circle off as big as the eyes. Then, you drag tool and pull up the circles into a triangular shape. Hold to smooth around the eyes and ears. Go brush tool and click the negative button below it to make holes for the ears, then smooth it out. To make us turn off symmetry and make an oval shape. Invert the masking, the transformation tool, and move the clay outwards. Begin to smooth it. After smoothing it, turn off masking and turn back on symmetry. Use the brush tool and turn it negative for nostrils. Go back to masking and make 2 circles for the legs. Invert it, then use the transformation tool again. Smooth it out and turn off masking. Repeat the process for the back legs. For the stinger, use the drag tool to pull the clay. Make it as sharp or long as you want. Remember to turn off symmetry for this. The bumblepig is complete. Thank you for watching and farewell.